Alright, so I'm going to make a quick video of my 2005 Scion Tc with the stock muffler, stock mid-pipe, but Catless header exhaust clip to see, if it's something that people want to do, so you can have like a little bit of an exhaust sound, but not be so overbearing. And just really to see. Personally, I think it's a little quiet. Obviously, it's still on the stock muffler, but it's curious for me at least, to see a Catless exhaust system through the stock muffler, because maybe it has just a little bit more tone to it. So I'm gonna see right now. From driving it, I can hear that it's a little louder. It's just not like super throaty, and I just don't want it to sound like really like cheesy either. So I'm going to do an exhaust clip right now, and yeah, so let's go ahead and do that. The first clip is going to be an initial startup, and then everything after that is going to be revs. So let's see how it starts on a really cold startup. It's like 25 degrees out right now, so let's see how that sounds. Okay, so I just listened to the clip, and oh boy, that doesn't sound good at all. It sounds very ricey. Sounds like a cheap Civic. That's gonna need to be solved. I'm gonna need to have an actual good muffler or catback put on it, because it sounds very raspy having that much airflow, since there's no more catalytic converter being pushed out the stock OEM muffler. So that doesn't really sound super good. I'm gonna do some research and look at some catbacks that are probably different and or better, and look at some that are probably, hopefully, cost effective and cheap, and that will be the one that I go with. So thank you for watching. We both learned something. My exhaust sounds really bad, and I will replace it with hopefully one that is not very bad. Honestly, driving around town, you can't really hear it unless you like really floor it on the RPMs. I didn't really hear it daily. Still dailying the car, it was very quiet on the main road. But if you floored it, you did hear that little zing. What's funny is that it actually burbles and backfires. Really weird. But yeah, I'm gonna keep doing research for different exhausts, and I will go ahead and see which one is better. Thank you for watching.